I just drag and drop this image here to my Affinity. Let me show you how we can resize. Head to the document menu at the top, and under the setup you will see the resize options. We can resize the whole document or just canvas. Let me show you both. Let's start with document. They will show you the original size. We can lock proportions with this link, and we can move between different units. So let's go for centimeters. I'm from Europe, you can say, and then we see that this is really large picture, 2.5 meters wide. In that case, I'm going to make this a bit shorter, so I'll make it only 100 centimeters tall, and the size here scale correctly. I click resize, and even though it seems like nothing happened, our picture is now way smaller. How can I tell? When I click here, I can see the actual size in my transform panel here. And that's also what you can do while you are resizing your image. You could use the move tool, select the image itself, and then resize it. So in that case, we will need to use the proper crop tool here in the pixel mode to crop out to that new size. Alright, let's undo. I also mentioned this second option. So if I head to document, setup, resize, we try with the document, so everything sized down. How about canvas? This one is a bit different. We are kind of sizing down the paper, the project, but not everything on it. Let me show you what I mean. I will actually size up 120, resize. Take a look, we got this extra space here. So when you are changing the size of the canvas, you are not resizing everything in the layer panel. This way you can easily add extra space, and other way around. And this time my canvas is too small. I cannot see the whole picture. Take a look. So that's the big difference here. If you go for your document setup, here we can resize. Resize document, you are resizing everything. Resize canvas, you only resizing kind of the paper size, and everything stay on it in the same size. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.